Our group topic is retaining wall. There are 4 members, me, Cassandra, Ng Jianyu, and Li Boyan. There are 3 types of retaining walls: gravity walls, reinforced soil walls, and hybrid system. Gabion's wall, the word gabion comes from an old Italian word gabione that means big cage. Gabion walls are executed mainly in the purpose of soil stabilization behind the wall, but can also be executed as a cover wall. The wall is made from gabion baskets that are stacked in 1 or more rows, depending on the height of the wall. Baskets have a cage shape and are closed on all sides. They are made from a galvanized hexagonal meshes and broken rock that are placed in the baskets. Gabion walls have an application mostly in road engineering, for example, construction of roads, embankments, retaining walls, slope protection, water barriers, and etc. The functions is creation of a barrier that prevents soil erosion in course and embankment stabilization, prevention of sliding and washouts, water speed reduction in prevention of soil erosion in waterways, noise protection, and aesthetic fan structures for gardens.
I'll be introducing the creep wall. The creep wall system is based on one of the oldest gravity retaining wall systems in the world, and it is designed and built to last. This gravity retaining wall is cost-effective open-web construction structure that features precast concrete units that can be interlocked easily and rapidly. The advantage of a creep wall is its adaptability. Creep wall can easily be constructed to suit variety of terrain. It can be adapted to follow slope, gentle curve, and navigates corner. When necessary, it can be dismantled and re-erected quickly and easily. This means that creep wall can be temporary or permanent structure and constructed in stages depending on the site requirement. It is easily constructed as it requires minimal excavation and it can be rapidly erected. It is also aesthetically friendly where the vegetation can be planted in the creep wall to give it an environmental friendly looks. It is economical as creep wall is a cost-effective retaining wall solution for the low height wall up to 7.5 meter. Lastly, creep wall is a strong and stable gravity retaining wall system, especially for low height that is up to 7.5 meter height.
This part is about T-wall retaining wall system. The T-wall retaining wall is a gravity retaining wall system consisting of a modular precast concrete units and select backfill. The system is a simple proven solution for grade separation on highway, bridge, railroad, water, commercial applications, and more. The concrete units are facing with monolithic perpendicular steps, forming the shape of a T. The steps internally stabilize the wall, providing a pull-out resistance against the lateral earth pressure externed on the back of the facing. Next. This part is about the benefit of T-wall. The first one is precast monolithic units require no separate soil reinforcement or connection. The next one is variable mass reinforced stems, reducing select backfill quantities as the wall rises in height. The next one is a durable precast facing unit, allow for a wide variety of surface textures or customer artwork. The last one is highway, but stable units eliminate the need for external bracing during construction. Okay, next.
This is the typical arrangement for facing panel, reinforcing tendon, and anchor block. Next. So facing panel is a hexagonal shape and made of precast concrete, which is grade 30. It is also interlocked with dowel bars with tolerance for horizontal movements. The horizontal joints between the panels are inserted with compressible material to allow for vertical movement. As such, the facing is flexible and can tolerate large differential settlement. Next. As for reinforcing tendons, it is made of carbon steroids. Tendons are hot dip galvanized to prevent corrosion. So an advantage of using round bars instead of straight is it is more durable against corrosion in view of the reduced surface area exposed. The tendons are connected to the facing panels by nuts with the threaded end coated with epoxy. Next is anchor blocks. It is discrete precast concrete blocks with act as deadman. It is a hole is performed in the center of the block to enable the tendon to pass through, thereby connected with a nut and washer. The advantage of anchor blocks is it enhances the pull-out resistance of the reinforcing tendon. As a result, the use of cohesive frictional material as backfill is possible since the system does not rely so much on friction for the stress transfer. Thank you. That's all for our presentation.